If you've ever broken a plastic car bumper, a cracked kayak, or even a damaged motorcycle fairing, you've probably wished for a simple and affordable way to repair it yourself. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 plastic welders available on Amazon that help you repair and fabricate like a pro. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or just someone who hates throwing things away, there's something in this list for you. Let's kick things off with the Polyvance Mini-Weld Model 7. This is widely considered the best all-around plastic welder on the market. It delivers a consistent 200-watt ceramic heating element that's capable of bonding most automotive plastics with professional-grade strength. What sets the Mini-Weld apart is the complete package it comes with: 2 different welding tips, reinforcing mesh, cleaning brush, and a wide selection of plastic rods for different types of materials. It's also backed by one of the most respected names in the plastic welding industry. If you're serious about plastic repairs, especially in automotive settings, this is the tool that offers professional results without the bulk or complexity of industrial setups. However, this performance comes at a price. It's on the higher end of the spectrum, typically around $240, but for those who need reliability and precision, it's a smart investment. Next up is the Altern 100-watt plastic welder, which is perfect for those on a budget. Don't let the price fool you. This kit punches well above its weight. It features a 100-watt heating element and comes with multiple welding tips, plastic rods, and a compact design that's ideal for tight spaces. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward functionality and ease of use, especially for first-timers. While the heating may occasionally be uneven, the value it provides at this price point is hard to beat. It's ideal for casual users or hobbyists who want a reliable tool for occasional repairs. Coming in at number 3, the RX Weld 2-in-1 plastic welding kit is a hybrid option that combines a plastic welding gun with a hot staple gun. This dual functionality makes it a top pick for DIYers tackling a range of repair projects. Whether you're patching cracked dashboards, reinforcing motorcycle parts, or fixing up outdoor gear, this tool covers a lot of ground. The kit includes 1,000 hot staple, multiple welding heads, and an ergonomic design that heats up quickly. Customers rave about how intuitive it is to operate and how solid the results feel. If versatility is what you're after, this is a fantastic option, with a price tag that doesn't scare off beginners. At number 4, we have the WEP 960-V plastic welder kit. This compact device comes highly rated for automotive plastic repairs. The package includes the plastic welding gun, 200 stainless steel staples, a built-in LED light for better visibility, and even diagonal cutters to trim your work. Despite being small and very affordable, often under $25, it doesn't compromise on performance. It's perfect for repairing car bumpers, plastic grills, and headlight bracket. Users consistently mention how quickly it heats up and how easy it is to stabilize broken plastic components. For anyone looking for a fast, portable, and inexpensive solution, this is a go-to choice. Finally, rounding out the list is the Jounjip Plastic Welding Repair Kit, designed with home users and hobbyists in mind. With an 80-watt iron, this kit includes dual triangle welding tips, 20 plastic rods, a reinforcing mesh, and aluminum tape. It's UL certified for safety, making it a good pick for family use or school projects. It's particularly well suited for household plastic repairs like garden tools, bins, or toys. While not ideal for industrial-grade fixes, the Jounjip kit delivers dependable results for general use and helps reduce household plastic waste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore each of these top-rated plastic welders on Amazon.